besides Bruce Lee, I always watched the Highlander TV show back in it came out. First started as a movie and then as a TV show. And my brother Eric watched that, and I was a young kid. I had no control over what I got to watch on the TV because my brothers had it.
Yes.
And so he would just watch Highlander in the evenings, and that's what I started watching. I said, well, this was pretty cool. It involves history and it involves, sword fighting.
What people don't know maybe about you as a fencing coach, you attended one of the most elite fencing schools in Italy?
Yeah, I'm one of 5 Americans to have gone through the process of getting the certification diploma from it's called the National Academy of Fencing in Naples, Italy, which has been around since about 1861 or 3, whenever the unification of Italy happened, and that's when the first national school was formed. I've done 3 summer courses there and taken an exam.
But you've done 3 summer courses there in Italy. Was it Naples or around
Naples?
The
exam was in Naples, but we were in Tuscany, around Canciano.
Terrible.
But yeah, it was terrible, and free food and stuff.
You don't speak Italian.
No, just enough.
Just enough because you had to
just
take
enough.
these
Yeah,
classes.
I had to take the written exam in Italian. So I said, do y'all have it in English? They're like, no. And I looked at all my friends and I was like, I got this. So I managed to pass it, maybe missed
Good
two.
for you.
And then the exam portion, I did some in Italian, giving the lesson, and then I had an English speaking partner who we kind of conversed back and forth. So I managed it, made it happen.
Congratulations.
So thanks. It was a tough one because if I didn't pass that written portion, I wouldn't have moved on. So that was it.
So one of 5 Americans who has this certification. And so with that, what does that mean? Now you can
it's just for me because my grandfather was Sicilian heritage, and I just like the idea of going to Italy. And the Italian school is a little different than what's generally taught in the United States, and so it's just kind of a historical thing for me to do, and it gives me a way to get out of the country and see Italy.
Well,
so it's good.
Yeah, and now it's kind of like you have your PhD in fencing, right?
Yeah, it's a diploma from the National Academy, and then also have certifications coaching in the United States as well. So I have dual coaching certifications and diploma. So
what do you love most about fencing?
I've done it so long, and even after taking a break when I was in the military and coming back to it, it's just something I've always known, and it's just passionate about. And basically, it's hard to describe, I guess. It's kind of like it's ingrained in me. And then teaching, I found out that besides just being a fencing instructor, well, not instructor, but as a competitor, that I like to teach. And I like to watch people grow and learn new things. And people come to my club, I always tell them, I say, whether you choose to stick with the beginners class or not, I'm glad that you came and that you learned something about the sport of fencing, and now you see it on TV in the Olympics, or someone's talking about it, you say, hey, I did that.
Yeah.
Like, really? Where at? Hopefully they come to Bowling Green Fencing Academy.
Would you consider it an elite sport?
No. A long time ago, it was kind of perceived as this elite sport that only certain people do, but it's for everyone.
Stephen Fischer, thank you for joining us and sharing your passion.